Good morning to all of you. I am CA Sonal Sabu, Director Dhruv Coaching Classes Private Limited. By profession, I am a chartered accountant, and by passion, I am an educator, trainer, and a practicing chartered accountant as well. So, today we are here for talking about a skill. Yes, a skill that is a very essential and integral part for your professional life as well as your career growth. You know, it's what? It's a communication skill, it is an interactive skill. Have you ever faced some sort of problem? Okay, let's do this discussion in this way. Have you ever questioned yourself that whenever you start speaking English, you stuck midway? Or whenever you want to continue your conversation, but you have to end up because you are less of words, you are not having a proper vocabulary at proper place? Or have you ever faced this sort of situation that if someone is talking to you in English, you are able to understand, you are getting him, but you are not able to reply him back? And have you questioned from yourself that, am I able to do a public speaking? Am I able to give a presentation? Or have you ever questioned to yourself that, am I able to sit in a GD, argue, counter someone, and communicate myself to someone? I think your answer would be no. You know the reason? I tell you the reason. The reason is that you and me, either you or me, all of us are born and brought up in a family background where our regional languages used to speak. Whether it is a English, whether it is a Hindi, whether it is a Gujarati, whether it is a Marwadi or Sindhi or any other language. Since childhood, we are speaking that language, we are listening that language. That's why we are very much fluent in that. I do agree it is our first language and we know at first that. But we cannot avoid this fact that English is a global language now. It is a need of an hour and it is a part and parcel of a corporate and MNC culture. The people who are listening this video, maybe you belong to a CMA Foundation or CMA Inter or CMA Final. And after 2 year or 3 year down the line, you would be a qualified professionals. But what would after that? Definitely you would look for a job, you would come across some interviewer, or you would sit in a campus. For preparation at that point of time, you would have only 15 days or a 1 month time in your hand maximum. At that point of time, you would put efforts, but you think that in that short span of time you would be a changed personality altogether. Within 15 days or 1 month you would be a fluent speaker? Answer is no. You would put efforts, there would be a change in yourself, but definitely you would not get that confidence. So instead of worrying at that point of time, why we don't take a small step at this point of time? If we start learning from this point of time, it would not be difficulty for us at the time of our campus interviews. That's why Dhruv Coaching Classes Private Limited has brought you an initiative that is Prayas Your Buddy. We named it Prayas Your Buddy because, like your friend, both of us are going to put efforts developing your communication skills, your interactive skills. And you know, it's a 3-month program. After joining this 3-month program, after 3 months, you would be see lot of confidence in yourself. You would be confident enough in speaking fluent English. And once you get the confidence, you would do best in your studies also. And I'm sure you would see a change. You would be a fabulous, marvelous personality at all. So, I think there is no point of delay. Join our hands and let's do the miracle. Thank you.